What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here and I'm currently in Barcelona for Honor's event, and apparently they are launching a robot phone or an AI phone or whatever canggih technology that we have yet to witness. So we are here at Palau de Congress de Barcelona to check it out. So let's go! Just got my tag. And there's something amazing about this tag. Look here, this is a pop-up camera. Wow.
Exciting about what's next.
For more than a century, Ali has shaped how cinematic stories are told. From the early days of film to today's most advanced digital camera systems.
Honor Magic V6.
A new species of smartphone. 4 months ago, it was just a concept video on a screen.
So I just got to play with the Honor robot phone and it's very interesting. It's basically a 3-axis gimbal built into the phone, okay? Apart from recording very stable videos, you can also use the AI features. It is basically like your AI companion. You can actually ask it to rate your outfit. What do you think of the outfit, no? And then it will actually nod or shake its head to tell you what they think. You can also ask questions like, hey, what's the weather in Barcelona today? And then you will be able to get the answers on the screen or hear the robot talk in a very cute voice. So all in all, I think it's a very cute companion. It's a great camera system. It has 200 megapixel sensor inside. And according to Honor, it is launching second half of the year. So the Honor Magic V6 is thinner and also stronger than the previous generation. The whole body now is more compact and the battery is very big with 6660 mAh, okay? Which, if you open the big screen, it can actually use for 24 hours. It's also got amazing camera system, and like what you saw just now, I actually put the V6 into water and fold and also unfold it, no problem, because it is very durable, IP68 and also IP69 water resistant. Honor also launched the Honor Magic Pad 4 12.3 inches that has a 165Hz OLED display, 4.8mm super slim body, runs Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 and has AI PC class productivity. They also launched Honor Magic Book Pro 14 that has a 3.1K OLED touchscreen, very light body at 1.37 kg and has 80 watt high performance. So those were some of the gadgets that Honor announced today. I especially love the robot phone because I would love a stabilized camera and also an AI companion with me in my pocket every day, okay? Which one is your favorite gadget? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. The button is just down here, okay? Subscribing is free. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.